Hi friends, this is Mohan came back with another video for you about MIUI 8. Yeah, this is the Xiaomi's latest UI, and we can tell that this will be the best customized OS in the world. That's what I want to say is here the MIUI 8 will give us more number of options, like, and it is they're using many lot of number of colors, which will be uh, very nice to look at that, and it will be a great change in the Xiaomi's future. And it has many options like rolling screenshot. Yeah, in this, what the special thing is, when we take a screenshot, it will just capture only the screen which was visible to us, but in this we have a option like rolling screenshot, which will give us the screenshot even which was much below the screen, which we can't see that, and we have to roll that, and as shown in the picture, we can take it that we can select the image, or we can crop it or anything, and it will be a nice feature where we can get a lot of information in a single picture. Yeah, next, coming to another, if this MIUI 8 is having a option like dual apps. Yeah, you can have two WhatsApp or two Facebook in the same mobile. Yeah, this is a great feature. Many of our phones will be dual SIM, and we will be using only one WhatsApp account. That will be very disgusting, or many of us want to WhatsApp, and yeah, it will be nice. And coming to this, we can have two space, just like a user in the system. We will have different number of users. In the same way, we have space 1 and space 2. Yeah, this will give a different user experience, that in a single phone we can have two users. That's why uh, it will be more giving more privacy, or it will be giving much more better security for the personal information. And in the MIUI 8, we have got covered all, just like it will search for the number which you got. Maybe it's belong to a spam, or it belongs to another company. It will give all the information about the number, and it will be present even in messaging too. Yeah, even in messages, you got a message from a number. It will give the information that this number belongs to this company or some other things. Yeah, in MIUI 8, they are giving us more options. The calculator, weather app, music app, gallery app was much better than the previous MIUI 7. And the major change is the notification bar and the toggles, which were coming in the same screen. That one we can have the previous version also, just which will be like just like this. We can we can move the screen right and left, but in the new one, it will have both in a single screen, and weather will be reported at the top of the notification bar, so that in this place where we are having toggles now, we will get the notifications of weather, and when we rotate this, we will get other notifications too. Yeah, it's a best option which we can have. And this will be like a normal stock Android notification bar, and this will be a larger view. In this, the weather was on the top, and in the same way, all the toggles were here. If we want to see the notification, we can switch to both. Yeah, and this is another look of that. Yeah, thank you friends. I'll keep updating about this, and thank you for watching this. Definitely I'll provide the information which I know about the MIUI and other things which will be more interesting for us. And thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel.